The APC presidential candidate, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, is in the news again. And this time around, ever since he declared his intention to run for the presidency, he has made more blunders in public than statements that a lot of people know and want to learn about. He has made a lot of bloopers on his campaign trail. Rally after rally, location after location, Nigerians have not been spared by some very interesting misfires from the ex-Lagos State governor. We're going to be looking at some of them here. Just watch all these bloopers made in different rallies, especially as the campaign goes on.
Different from blue, Bulaba. God bless you. God bless Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. God bless the APC. APC. And we said we must cement this unity with the collapse of all fringe parties and become one, and our broom shall be symbol by broom. Broom, 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 broom revolution.
Have you noticed something that ever since the presidential campaign kicked off, these bloopers, these misfires, these blunders have been made along the path of the campaign trail. Before then, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu wasn't making these statements. If you remember the Emilokon conversation, he didn't have any blooper. He didn't say anything like that. When he made a statement about the Agbado and the corn thing and the young people and getting them into the military, there were no bloopers. But I've noticed that from the point in which he started the campaign train, along all the campaign states that he has been moving across, he has been making blunder after blunder after blunder. And Nigerians have even started making it into music. They've made it into skits. They've made it into a statement of fun and all that. And it's kind of concerning, which means that, you know, the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress is actually very tired. It is fatigue. It is the fact that he is physically in need of rest. He doesn't really have that capacity to waste all the time at all the rallies. I don't really think he necessarily needs to be at all the rallies. I do remember when the former president of Nigeria, Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, was sick and he had rallies. He didn't attend all of them. We all know that Asiwaju Bola Tinubu is not so strong, age-wise and health-wise. He's trying to put together himself. And this is probably why we don't have any debate with any candidate other than town hall meetings he attends and all that stuff. But these bloopers, these blunders are cause for concern. Incoherence and everything. There's so many people talking about dementia and all that. But Nigerians do need a fit president. And he's being stretched beyond his limits. We need to call a spade a spade. Everywhere he goes to, there's always one story about a statement he makes, which is comical, which is ever since the campaign started. I think his handlers need to inform him. He needs to space himself out. But Nigerians are unforgiving. They will say they don't want to have the vice presidential candidate, Senator Kashim Shettima, representing. He needs to speak for himself. And in speaking for himself, we are seeing what's happening. So he's going scheduled to be in Chatham House in the United Kingdom, London. Chatham House has been a platform for presidential candidates, even presidents and all that. And they make statements at Chatham House. We've had Mr. P2B there. We've had Atiku Abubakar there. We've had the president, the current president, also at Chatham House. Now, people are wondering, what statements will we hear from Asiwaju Bola Tinubu if he makes an appearance at Chatham House? We're going to go for our last story, which is my take. Stay tuned. This is a Punchline on First News Nation. Don't forget, if there's any story that interests you, go ahead and make a comment by dropping in the comment section below. We'll be right back.